Experience Hanoi like never before in this immersive 360-degree VR PoV tour. Buckle up for this 8-day death adventure.
Do you want the soul of the streets or the hype of the elite? This is Chicken Pho. It's $2, it's fast, and it's been the fuel of the city for a century. You don't need a reservation, just show up and eat. This one tastes like the normal, and the flavor is really so good. We ate the chicken pho after a long tour. This is really a good place to try it. And then there's pizza 4P's. It's Japanese owned, costs 10 times more, and you need to book weeks in advance just to get through the door. Is this a culinary masterpiece or just a massive marketing trap? Pho or pasta in parties? Which side are you on? Let me know in the comments.